Welcome everybody back to the channel. Welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Sabrina and I recently I went plant-based, so I post a lot of plant-based vegan type recipes. I am a newbie, so don't y'all go hard on me. But anywho, if you like that type of content and you're just looking for some easy plant-based family style recipes, definitely go ahead and subscribe. In this video here, I am going to show you how I make a really simple and delicious vegan queso dip. This one was a hit with all the crew members, so enough of the talking, let's get into the video. You're going to start with 2 cups of raw cashews. I get mine from Costco's, but you can really get them from any place, but you know, I always shop at Costco's. But anywho, then you're going to put about a cup or 2 of water, and then I place mine in the microwave. You can have them soak overnight, boil hot water, but this way I find this easier. I cook it for about 5 minutes, and then there you go. That's what it looks like once it's done. And then I drain all the water, as much water as I can get out, and then plop them right into your blender. I put about a handful, or let's just say a half a cup of some chopped bell peppers, and I also put about a half a cup of chopped onions, and I put I squeezed 1 whole lemon. I put it like maybe about 2 tablespoons of some jalapeno juice, and then I put about 2 tablespoons of jalapenos, maybe 3. I like it spicy, so it depends on you. I like it a little spicy, okay? If you don't like it spicy, then you just don't do the jalapenos, but you do you, boo. I put 1 clove of garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, I want to say about a half a teaspoon or so of cumin, and I put 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I do season my food to taste, so you know, this is just my guesstimate. And then I put some black pepper, season that to your taste, and I put 1 cup of vegetable broth. You may want to use a little bit less, a little bit more, depending on how thick you want your queso dip to be. But I kind of wanted mine a little bit, not runny, but just a little bit more smooth, as you can see. And one thing about my blender, it cooks my queso dip. So if you want yours warmed up, it's best that you kind of warm it up on the stove and add a little bit more water to it, so that you can, you know, can kind of warm it up over the stove. But then then I put a whole can of the Rotel, and there you go. There is the queso dip. It was super easy, super yummy. The kids loved it, and hey, I can't complain. If you tried any of these recipes, definitely let me know in the comment section. I appreciate all your love, support. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless.